Hi, welcome to my fifth lecture series. So our second topic is mathematical operation on continuous time signals. Okay, so in this first one is addition of CT signal. CT means continuous time signal. Okay, how to add two signals. Okay, the addition of two continuous time signals is performed by adding the values of the two signals corresponding to the same instant of time. Okay, suppose here we have two problems. Okay, so let us see in this like how to add. Here x1 of t is one signal and x2 of t is second signal. Okay, how to add these two signals and what is the resultant signal. Okay, so here also x1 of t is one signal and x2 of t signal. What is the x1 of t plus x2 of t? Okay, the signal is x1 of t plus x2 of t. Okay, so here signal has given graphical representation. Okay, so and asking signal in graphical representation. So let us write what is the mathematical equation of this signal. Okay, so here x1 of t is equal to, okay, so from minus infinity to minus 2 is 0 only. Okay, signal is 0 for like t is less than minus 2. Okay, from minus infinity to minus 2 is 0 only. Okay, from minus 2 to minus 1, t is in between minus 2 to minus 1 is 2, right? 2 is minus 2 to t to minus 1. Okay, so and 0 for signal is 0 in between minus 1 to 0, minus 1 less than t less than 0. Okay, and 1 signal is 1 for like 0 to t to 1. Okay, and 2 for 1 less than t less than 2. Okay, and 0 for t greater than 2. Okay, so this is mathematical representation of x1 of t. Okay, same thing you write for x2 of t. Okay, x2 of t is 0 for t is less than minus 2. Okay, and minus 1 for minus 2 to t to minus 1. Okay, and this is 1 for minus 1 to t to plus 1. Up to plus 1 it is 1 only. Okay, and 0 for all t greater than 1. So this is mathematical representation of x2 of t. Now we need to add these two signals. Okay, x1 of t plus x2 of t equal to, okay, t minus 2. Here t minus 2 is 0 only. 0 for t minus t less than minus 2. Okay, so here for 2 minus t to t less than t less than minus 1 and minus 2 less than t less than minus 1 is 2 and minus 1. How much total? 1 for minus 2 less than t minus 1. Okay, and minus t minus 1 less than t and less than 0, this one, and here it will come in between, right? So 0 plus 1 is 1, right? For minus 1 less than t less than 0. Okay, and 0 less than t less than 1 is 1, and here is 1, right? 2 0 less than t less than 1. Okay, and this one 1 less than t less than 2 is 2. Okay, here it is 0 only. 2 1 less than t less than 2. Okay, and 0 for t greater than 2. Okay, this is a mathematical representation of like x1 of t, x2 of t, or else you can directly also you can draw it from graphical representation. Okay, that is like here minus 2, here minus 2. What is here? We have 0 and 0. 0 plus 0 is 0 only, right? So 0. Okay, and here minus 2 to minus 1 is 2, minus 2 to minus 1 is minus 1, 2 minus 1 is 2 minus 1 is 1, so we'll get 1 up to here 1. Okay, and minus 1 to 0, here minus 1 to 0, here minus 1 to 0 is 0, minus 1 to 0 is 1, 0 plus 1. Okay, 0 plus 1 is 1 only. Okay, next 1 plus 1. Okay, here 2, we are going to 2, this is 2, fine. 2, here 1 to 2 is 2 and 1 to 2 is 0, 2 plus 0 is 2. Here we are maintaining 2, here 0 plus 0, 0, so we are 0. So same thing here, we got same here, 0 for t less than minus 2. Okay, minus 2 to t minus 1, 1, minus 1, t less than 0 is 1, 0 less than t, 1, 2, 1 less than t less than 2, 2, and t greater than 2 is 0. So this is mathematical representation, this is graphical representation. Okay, so let us see next example. Okay, so here directly if you draw, see this part of the portion has to sit here and this part of the portion has to come on top of this part of the portion has to come here, right? So when we add these two signal, x1 of t plus x2 of t, okay, so here this is we are covering here, so here to this part is has to come here, right? So here to here. Okay, and this and this, so this is already 2 and this is 1, we are adding 3 up to 3. Okay, and this one is one triangle. If we come here, so what will come, how it will come, so this will be, okay, up to here it will come and 0. Okay, let us see this one is in mathematical how we are going to solve. Okay, so in equation, if you write the equation for this, x1 of t equal to, so here 0 for t less than 0. Okay, so what is the equation for 0 less than t less than 1? Okay, so from here to here we have a ramp signal, like increasing order. Okay, so what is the slope of this one? Okay, how will calculate slope here? Here we will take 2 points. Okay, like 0 comma 0 and 0 comma 1 comma 1. So if you write the equation, here x-axis is t and y-axis is x1 of t. Okay, x1 of t minus 0 equal to 1 minus 0 is 1 by 1 and t minus 0. So x1 of t equal to t. Okay, so here t for 0 less than t less than 1, right? And this is 1 for 1 less than t less than 2. Okay, so next, what is the equation for this one? Okay, so here if we take 2 points here, like what are the points we have? I am solving here. So here 2 comma 1. Okay, so here 3 comma 0. Okay, so if you write equation, equation for this one, so here x-axis is t and y-axis is x1 of t. x1 of t minus 1. Okay, 0 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 2 1 and t minus 2. Okay, x1 of t equal to what will come, minus t, this if you go here, plus 3. So this is the equation we are getting. Okay, so here we are getting 3 minus t for 2 less than t less than 3. Okay, so this is the equation and here 0 for t greater than 3. So this is mathematical equation for this signal. Okay, so x2 of t, if you write here, okay, 0 for t less than 0. Okay, 1 for 0 less than t less than 1 and here 2 for 1 less than t less than 2, and 1 for 2 less than t less than 3, okay, and 0 for t greater than 3. Okay, so now we need to add these two signals. Okay, x1 of t plus x2 of t. Okay, so here t less than 0, t less than 0. Okay, this we need to add, this we need to add. Okay, so 0 for t less than 0. Okay, here t for 0 less than t less than this one and this one. Okay, so if you add t and 1, t plus 1. Okay, for 0 less than t less than 1. Okay, next this one and this one. Okay, 1 plus 2, 3, 1 less than t less than 2. Okay, so here this one, next this one. Okay, so 3, so sorry, 4 minus t, 2 less than t less than 3, and 0 for t greater than 3. So see, this is graphical representation, this is mathematical equation representation. So t less than 0 is 0. Okay, for 0 to t, 0 to 1 in between, so t plus 1. See, if you take 0, it is 1. If you take at 1, if equation is 2, right? Okay, so 1 to 2, it is a 3. See, 3. Okay, and 2 to 3, 2 to 3, so it is a slope at a 3. If you substitute 3 in this equation, so you will get 3 only. Okay, so like it is 2, 3. Okay, so 2, if when you substitute 2, it is get 2, and when you substitute 3, it is 1, and after that it is a 0. Okay, so so where we'll use this concept in our real life. Okay, so in DJ, two songs will play, right? Two songs will play, and we will produce one different kind of song. Okay, they're adding two songs and making remix. These are the this techniques we'll use. Okay, so suppose if you have a signal like x1 of t is 2 and x2 of t is sin t. Okay, so like x1 of t signal is x1 of t is 2 forever 2. Okay, and x2 of t is sine signal, so sine waveform. Okay, so when you add these two signal, how it will be? x1 of t plus x2 of t. So complete signal will shift at 2, because every value, every point you need to add 2, right? At 0 if you add 2, 2. If it is 1, see, is 1 minus 1, right? So 1 plus 2 is, this peak will shift to 3, and minus 1, like 2 minus 1, it will be 1. Okay, so this complete waveform you need to draw at 2, and this peak is 3 to 1. Okay, so you can draw like this. So every each value you are adding 2. Okay, so let us see this one in the graph. Okay, so actually we need to see in MATLAB software, but that is a paid version. So currently we are going with Desmos. Desmos graph. Here I am drawing y equal to 2. It is a constant line. See here, constant line we are getting. Okay, so one more signal x2 of t I am taking, y equal to sine x. This is x2 of t signal. Okay, if we add these two signals, okay, y equal to 2 plus sine x. See, so here red color indicates that x1 of t signal, and x2 of signal is blue color line, and green color signal indicates that x1 of t plus x2 of t here, and I am removing x1 of t, x2 of t, so it is a x1 of t plus x2 of t signal. Okay, see, it speaks 3 to, like 3 peak to be 3 and 1. So thank you.